owned by the different people in that area. Then crops grown in that field and the facilities provided to the farmers. Second point. Next, third point is if there is any transfer of land from one person to another person within his family or out of his family, he is going to change the name. Next, he organizes the collection of land revenue from the farmers. Whatever the farmer is having the land, for that they have to pay certain amount of tax to the government. That amount will be collected by the farmers for the land tax on land. Next, informing the government about the crops cultivated in his area or problems faced by farmers and outbreak of diseases in his or area. So next is first point he is going to measure the agricultural field. Next point he maintains the ownership details. Third, he records the transfer of land, that is change of name from one person to another. Next, fourth, he collects the land revenue details from the farmers. Next, fifth one, informing the government about the crops which are being cultivated in particular village and what are the problems faced by them. It may be a drought, flood, or they sometimes the farmers may not get proper yield from the crop. All those things he is going to mention it along with the date and name and the particular village area and even the diseases which they have been facing. Next, protecting the maps and records of land under his control. So he will be the sole responsible single person. His job is to what? To maintain the maps which are related to the agricultural land and records the land under his responsibility. This is the duties of whom? Patwari. So Patwari main function is to keep the all the details regarding to the land. That is the main. In one point we can say that Patwari is a government official who keeps records regarding what? Ownership of land. So next what happens? The police helps the Sanjay in getting back his land from Ghanshyam by how? By checking the land records which are related to Sanjay. Then when the police submitted all the land records to the parent of the Patwari of Bhagwatpur village, he got back his land. This is how the Sanjay got his land from the Ghanshyam. Next is rural administration. When there is a lot of importance in the village or for the land, sometimes it happens there will be a misuse of their power and money. So the higher authorities or the village head, what happens? For the sake of money, they might be misusing the lower farmers or small land owners will be there, small farmers will be there. By manipulating them, they change their thinking and they give some portion of money to them and they sell the lands to the higher authorities or the owners, money lenders. So these such kind the manipulate the records. Even though the original owner might not sold the land, but they will show as it is that is been sold to the by fraud. Why? By fraud signature, sometimes fraud documents they will submit. So they even sometimes they change to manipulate the records which is maintained by the patwaris. So thus the senior officer above the patwaris, there will be senior officer working at the taluk level who is going to work as a part of revenue department, that is the sildars, who is going to supervise the function of patwaris. So above the patwari, Tahsildar will be there. This Tahsildar job is to supervise, give guidelines as to how to maintain the records of the land records and in disputing the land, if any disputes occurs between the land ownership, all those things. So following functions of Tahsildar, thus what will be the function of Tahsildar? So students, ensuring the proper maintenance of records. He checks whether the patwari has been maintaining the proper records or not. Assessing and collecting the revenue. He is going to examine what is been recorded by the patwari. He is going to assess. He is going to check out the records and he collects the land revenue in time. And he also provides various certificates to the farmers. It may be the ownership of land to the particular person, then caste income certificate, then land certificate, copy of that land records. All those things he is going to provide. And hearing land disputes. Whenever the disputes means quarrels occurs between two parties in selling or purchasing of land or in transfer of the land, name of the land, he is going to sort it out all the difficulties which are occurred in the land. disputes. So the work of Tehsildar is supervising, guiding will be by the district collector. So a district collector works as a head of a district. So and a district collector is going to work for a whole district. Under him, the Tahsildar is going to work under the taluk level. Below him, Patwari will be there. So all three persons' job is what? To rule the administration in order to carry out proper administration in the village. So dear students, in today's class, what we saw is maintenance of land records, who is a patwari, what are his functions, and above the patwari there will be tahsildar, above him district collector comes. So all these three members, how they are going to record the land records, how they are going to dispute the transfer of land or change of name which disputes occurs among the people. In the next class, we will be seeing the new inheritance law. What is the law that has been put forth in order to maintain the proper land order in case of the rural administration? We'll see in the next class. Thank you.